Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying permissions and picking a platform. You need admin or network contributor access so changes stick. Once done, choose whether this will live in a cloud provider or on a local hypervisor, because that decision shapes available features. Make a clear IP addressing plan and reserve a sitter block now, as it prevents future overlap. Also decide on DNS and authentication, keys, certificates, or SSO, so you can create consistent access controls during provisioning. You now create the virtual network and assign your reserved sitter block. This defines routable addresses. Next, add subnets by function, web, app, database, and attach route tables to control traffic flow, because segmentation reduces blast radius. Configure security groups and firewall rules with least privilege principles so only required ports are open. Then enable DHCP and DNS for name resolution, and provision NAT gateways or VPN/peering for X. You finish by deploying hosts or instances and validating connectivity with ping, traceroute, and port checks. This confirms routes and firewall rules. Once running, enable monitoring and flow logs to observe traffic patterns, because proactive visibility catches misconfigurations early. Make sure route propagation and ACLs match your design, and apply tags for management. If something fails, first inspect security rules, overlapping sitter blocks, or missing routes. Those are the most common culprits. Then iterate until traffic flows as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.